the Shanghai Film Festival is one of 3 top A-list film festivals in Asia. Is that true?
Yes, actually there's only 15 A-list
andun siya sa
festivals in the
taas.
world.
Okay.
So including Cannes, Berlin, Venice. So there's an association, they filter the film festivals. Sobrang dami film festivals in the world, di ba?
Yun nga eh.
So they have to filter what's really the top, kumbaga. So they chose top 15 and Shanghai happens to belong there. Tapos there are only 3 in Asia kasi. So, yun.
Yeah. The 3 in Asia would be Tokyo,
Tokyo, Shanghai, and Goa.
Goa is in India.
India.
No? All right. So the story is well entitled "Pauwi Na." Was this inspired by an article in the Inquirer?
Yes. A decade ago, merong isang article tungkol sa isang pamilya from Quezon City gusto umuwi ng Bicol. Wala sila ni kusing na pera, nag-pedicab lang sila. And if you actually see the pedicab, meron pang makeshift na mga floors sa loob para doon lang ilalagay yung baby sa second floor of the pedicab. So, and then me and my film partner, si Ellen Ramos, one day, in front of our house sa Cubao, merong actually pedicab family. Tapos, when I read the article, sabi ko, this is a good inspiration for a story about the Filipino struggle. Alam mo, not just about them. Parang, so, shit, it's about fate. And then when I went down to the family, kasi syempre, bibigyan mo ng tinapay, tapos kwentuhan kayo, tapos you want to hear their story, grabe yung element of hope and faith nila.
Really? Nung nakausap mo sila?
Not the exact family in the article, but
yung dun sa harap ng bahay
dun sa harap ng bahay. So sabi ko, and it's napaka-Pinoy. Lahat naman tayo fatalistic eh. May mangyaring masama, pray tayo kay Lord, sorry Lord. May mangyaring maganda, Lord, thank you Lord. Alam mo yun? And the element of faith is such a crucial element sa ating journey bilang Pilipino. And it can be good and it can be bad.